skipping oil changes? Here's how it kills your engine step by step. First, the oil breaks down. It loses its ability to lubricate, turning from this to this. With less lubrication, friction skyrockets. Your engine starts to tear itself apart from the inside. This causes extreme overheating, warping metal, and leading to permanent damage. Finally, the sludge blocks vital oil flow completely, starving your engine of the protection it desperately needs. The result? A seized engine and a repair bill that could cost you thousands. Remember, a simple oil change is far cheaper than replacing your entire engine.